Go.
Deputy Superintendent of Police, Territorial Officer for the St. Catherine South Division, working in the capacity of Divisional Duty Officer for the...
So basically what's going on here this morning, ma'am?
Actually, what you're seeing here, there are men on the ground, is our national coordinated roadblock taking place. This is an activity that is being carried out throughout the island, directed by the operational, strategic operational, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Strategic Operations portfolio. It is the aim to counter some of the activities that are taking place in our space, and so we have to continue to do these checks, just to ensure that our space is safe. It's through these activities sometimes that we recover firearm and other illicit things or illegal things. So we're just asking the public to bear with us. We know the traffic is a bit banked up at this time, but we ask for their patience and to allow us to do our work just to ensure that our space is safe.
Thank you.